Hello children, welcome to Math Path. Today we are going to solve MCQs of the topic Isosceles Triangles, Chapter 10, Class 9 ICSE from the book Selena. All the MCQs are going to be solved over here, both from exercise 10A and 10B. So after going through this video, if you like it, please do not forget to share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So we start with exercise 10A, the first MCQ. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. In the given figure, you have angle B is equal to angle C and angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Then AB is equal to AC. We know that if in a triangle, if two angles are equal, then the sides opposite to them are equal. If the first option is correct, you don't even have to read the next one. Isosceles triangle property. Two angles are equal, then the sides which are opposite to them are equal. B part, in the given figure, AD is perpendicular to BC, so this is 90 degree, and AB is equal to AC. Then ABD is congruent to ACD is not possible because these triangles are going to be congruent. So let us take in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. So you already have AB is equal to AC, which is given to you, it is given. Then you have AD is a common side. AD is equal to AD is common side. And you have angle ADB is equal to angle ADC, which is 90 degrees, since they have given AD is perpendicular. So this is how this is hypotenuse by RHS. These triangles are congruent by RHS. These two triangles are congruent by RHS. If the triangles are congruent, the corresponding parts are equal. So you get BD is equal to CD is the correct option. BD is equal to CD. Second option is the correct option. BAD, it's impossible in one B, since we have already, this has 90 degrees, this 90 degrees is impossible. Angle CAD cannot be 45 because we don't know whether these two sides are equal. So we rule out with the second option, BD is equal to CAD, since these two triangles are congruent. The third MCQ, this is easy. You know, this is an isosceles triangle. So we have this angle as 65. You are asked to find angle ACD. This is the angle asked. So adding these two angles, you get 87. And by angle sum property of a triangle, we get 180 minus 65 minus, this is the bracket, sum of two angles. You have 65 plus 87. So we get this 180 minus 7 plus 5, 12, carry 1, 9 plus 6, 15, 152, and then we get this as 28 degree. 180 minus 152 is 28 degrees. So fourth option is the correct. This is 28 degree. D, in the given figure, you have BE is equal to DC. Okay. This BE and DC are equal. These are equal. Okay. Then whether you have AD is equal to CD, AD and CD. Okay, let us see which triangles we'll be able to prove congruent. Now, when we have these two AB and AC equal, then we will have these angles equal. Angle B and angle C will be equal. And already we are given this BE is equal to CD. So we can take which triangles congruent? We can take triangle ABE will be congruent to triangle ACD. How will that be congruent? You have AB is equal to AC is given. This is given to you. And therefore, you have angle B is equal to angle C by isosceles triangle property. And also you have BE is equal to CD is given to you. So therefore, the triangles are congruent by SAS. These triangles are congruent by SAS. And therefore, you have AE is equal to AD by simplicity. So AE and AD, yes, we have this option, AD and AE. So option 3 is the correct option. The last MCQ of the first exercise. In this triangle ABC, let us name this triangle as ABC. And triangle PQR, there you have these two triangles ABC and PQR. In the first triangle, you have AB is equal to AC. So yes, this becomes an isosceles triangle. If these two angles are equal, then these angles become equal. If these two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to them are equal. Then you are given that angle B is equal to angle Q. So this angle Q also becomes X as we have taken B as X. Then you are given angle C is equal to angle P. Angle C is X, so this also becomes X. So what we can see here, this is an isosceles triangle, okay? This is also an isosceles triangle because two angles are equal. But we don't have any information about the sides of triangle ABC and PQR. So we say that these triangles are isosceles, but they are not congruent. They are because two angles are equal. Therefore, we can say that these two triangles are isosceles, but not congruent. Got it? Moving to exercise 10. The first question, choose the correct answer from the options given below. In the given figure, you have you have AB is perpendicular to BE. This is perpendicular, so you have this 90 degree. Okay. Then you are given that BC is equal to DE. Fine. Then now here everywhere it is triangle ABD. So if I take this ABD, then I can if I take ABD, you have triangle ABD. If you have AB is equal to FE, so I have to start E and this is 90 degrees. So this will be congruent only to triangle FEC. The correspondence is very important because B and E are 90 degree. You have AB and FE given equal. And if I add CD to both sides, so you get BC is equal to DE is given to you. And if you add BC plus CD is equal to DE plus CD, you will get BD is equal to EC. So you have BD is equal to EC. Then you have AB is equal to FE given. And angle B and angle E are 90 degrees. So therefore, you have these two triangles congruent by SAS. And this is the correct option. FEC. The correspondence is very important. Though EFC, FEC, ECF, CEF, all of those are the same triangles, but naming the correspondence is very important. So you have triangle ABD is congruent to FEC. The second one is the correct option. From the given figure, we find OP is equal to OR, not possible. So clearly we can see that these two triangles are congruent. How are they congruent? 90 degree. These angles are equal. Okay, and the common side OP. So the triangles are going to be congruent to AAS. Which triangles? You have triangle PQO will be congruent to triangle PRO by AAS. Angle, and this common side by AAS. If the triangles are congruent, then the corresponding part. So you have PQ is equal to PR. So the option 3 is the correct option. If from the given figure, you also have angle A is equal to angle C, then you have to find the values of X and Y. So if you have angle A is equal to angle C, then you have AB is equal to BC. So if AB and BC are equal, so you get 2X is equal to 3Y plus 8. Then if AB is equal to BC, we have these angles equal and these angles are already given equal. So by and BD and BD common, so we have these two triangles congruent. If the triangle, that is triangle ABD will be congruent to triangle CBD, and therefore you have AD is equal to CD by CPCD. So you have this one equation and you have the second equation, that is X is equal to 2Y. So let us substitute X is equal to 2Y in this equation. You get 2 times 2Y equals 3Y plus 8. So you get 4Y equals 3Y plus 8. You get 3Y comes here, you get Y is equal to 8. You got Y is equal to 8. So there is only one option where is Y is equal to 8. Okay. So let us substitute over here. So you got X is equal to 2 times 8, which is 16. And X is 16, Y is equal to 8 is the option. 4 is the correct option. D part in triangle ABCD. Okay, so you have in this rectangle ABCD, you have ABCD is a rectangle in which X and Y are the points on AD. So X is the point on AD and Y is the point on BC such that AY, so this AY is equal to bx. Let us take some other color here. Ay is equal to bx. These two things are given to you. Then, okay. So if I take triangle ABX, in this triangle, first of all, AB is common. In ABX, you have this angle A is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Okay. It will be congruent. If I take ABX, then it should be definitely triangle BYA. Will be congruent to triangle. If I take ABX, then it should be BAY. Why BAY? Because AB and BA, this is the common side. Then you have AX is equal to BY is given to you. Okay. And you have angle A of this is 90 degree and angle P of this is 90 degree. So therefore, option 4, you have triangle ABX is congruent to triangle BAY. The last MCQ of today's video, this is a rectangle, so you have all the angles as right angles. So this is a right angle, so you have to, and you are given B is the midpoint, so P is the midpoint of AD, so these two parts are equal. So since it is a rectangle, you have opposite sides equal. So therefore, you have these two triangles congruent by SAS. Therefore, these two angles become X and X. Now this is a rectangle, so therefore this angle becomes 90 minus X. And this also becomes 90 minus X. This is how you get angle PBC will be equal to angle PBC will be equal to angle PCB. Okay, so option 2, angle PBC is equal to angle PCB is the correct option. So thus we have done with chapter 10 MCQ, coming soon with MCQs of the other chapters. So if you feel that this video was helpful, please do not forget to share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.